What's up, peeps? Bayboybassin here, and we are going fishing, and it's going up on a Tuesday, guys. Let me let you guys know that right now. It's about 39-ish degrees outside, so we're gonna try to catch some fish. Don't know how that's gonna go, man. But basically, we're just gonna be pond hopping around Tulsa, maybe Bixby, and maybe Broken Arrow. Not really sure how far I'm gonna go, but it's not too windy outside. That's the key to today. It's not windy outside, so I think I'll be able to manage it, man. But we are gonna try to catch a fish today. Hopefully we can get it done, guys. Like, hey, if I can catch one fish every time I go fishing in the wintertime, I'm happy. I don't have to catch the biggest fish. It's not always about the biggest fish. It's about figuring them out. And we're going to be working some pressured waters today. It's going to be hard, but I know, hopefully I know, we can catch some fish, guys. I'm gonna squeeze in some more clips from earlier this weekend. Me and Brad went out fishing, and this clear, really clear pond, man. It was crazy, but I caught a couple, he caught a couple as well. I'm gonna put that on the footage to let you guys see that. Yeah, man, I'm excited, and I want to say thank you, Brad, for taking me out and taking me fishing, first and foremost. And yeah, I want to say thanks to all my supporters. I'm not trying to be on here talking a lot, but thank you to whoever subscribed to my channel. I want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed to, oh my gosh, I can't talk. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, man. Hit that red button. It's free. It doesn't take a lot of energy to do that, so make sure you do that. And yeah, make sure you guys give this video a like too. I appreciate you guys. Let's get on the water, man. We got Brad with me today. We're gonna do some fishing, have some fun.
How's it going?
Squirrel. Throw this crankbait out here quick. There we go. There we go, Brad. They do have fish in here. Crankbait. Squarebill. Yeah. That guy is very tiny. There we go, folks. I'm sure there's more out here.
Smallest one I got in the rod.
Oh yeah, dude, throw this one. That's perfect. That's perfect. Bill, though, for sure.
12-pound fluorocarbon, so it might get down there.
Oh yeah.
You can start it.
I think you're gonna knock him in the head with that. That one ate it too. I cast out there a little further than normal, but yeah, I cast out there and he ate it. And he was a small guy too. I'm sure if they got big ones in here, they're gonna eat as well.
Yeah.
That's exciting. That's the first fish of the day off the crankbait. I was gonna throw this guy off too, but now I'm gonna keep it on due to the fact that I got a fish on it. So if it's gonna catch one fish, it's definitely gonna catch a little bit more. So let's see if they're wanting to play today. Let's see. That is a fish. I think I found the mother lode. These small guys, man, you gotta be careful. They will try to hook. Look at this guy. Oh, that's bad juju. Small guy. Small guys gotta eat too. We'll weed through these small guys. I don't care. I can do this all day. They're just eating this thing. Bruh. Here's another one.
Another one.
Here's another one, guys. Throw this guy back. Whew. Man, I tell you what, man, that water, they're cold. Cold. When in your politics. Alright. We just need one fishers, man. What is that? Really? Alright, well. I guess it wasn't chatterbait time. That feels like it's stuck in there and it popped off. Maybe they just want a bigger meal. Oh, what the heck? Why not? Who's cool? Cast one more time. This is a deeper draw. Oh my god, that's muddy right there. I'll tell you that right now, boy. I'll tell you that right now, boy. Right there. Oh, that's bad. That's bad juju. That is bad juju. Oh my god. That is bad juju. Oh, that rod is out of commission. Let's go to the next pond. How about that? Let's go to the next pond, see what we can pull out of there. Wish me luck. Alright, guys. We are starting here. I haven't been here in a while. It's been a long time since I've been here. But we're going to start with the chatter donkey, of course. Like a bluegill pattern. I think that's going to get us a couple bites. If that doesn't do it, I don't know. Hopefully we can catch something. Little hole right there. Oh, if I catch a fish over here, definitely going to be fun. Trying to get it out. Definitely still clear. Got a fish, guys. Yes. Yes. Little small guy came up and ate it. Hey, man. Hey. Chill out. Chill out. Bro, chill out. That paid off. Little small guy. Let's see if we can catch more really quick. Make a day. Catch and bass. Little small guy. Little small fry. Thank you, buddy. A little bit more activity over here. That's a fish. That's a fish right there, guys. Taking me right to the grass. Ah, there he goes. Come here, buddy. Ah, thank you, my friend. There we go. First couple fish on the chatterbait got me feeling good, boosting up my confidence a little bit. Let's go. Let's find some more of these guys. Might be feeding up on that bank over there where it's blowing the wind. Try to use the swim jig, 6 cents swim jig with the Kitech on it. I believe it's a 3.8 inch Kitech. And we're gonna try to see if any of these bass wants to play. Oh yes, that's what we need. Get that bird nest out of there, baby. Oh, that sucks. That thing is going. Need some more fish, man. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, he came off. He came off right at the boat. Right at the boat, man. Right at the boat. Oh my Lord, Lanta. Oh my gosh. No, I didn't have him hooked good. Oh, that's a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Thing is, it's starting to get really cold outside. Come on. I know we can do it. I know we can catch one. Here, and of course I got some mortar in there. Man. I'm just trying to get to where the freaking fish are gonna be. That's it. Now how I'm gonna get the fish out of here onto where I'm at is the next question. We didn't think that far ahead. Kind of looks like it kind of goes up from here. Whew. Oh, I'm wrong. Oh, that was cold. That was cold. Yep, we tried to get it done, guys. We managed to get a couple fish, but it wasn't all that pretty. The wind kind of picked up a little bit, and I lost that one good fish. I'm pretty sure it was at least 3 pounds, because I seen it come up, and it looked pretty solid, and it felt good too. But man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video. I appreciate you guys. I can't wait until the spring, man. I'm telling you, man. Just look out for another underwater footage video of bedding bass, man. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next episode of Bayboybassin.